Let's make some Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. For the first DIY, I took these wood blanks that I found in the Easter aisle, some burlap that I found in the crafting aisle, and 2 wooden pallets also found in the crafting aisle. I then took the burlap and used my rotary cutter to cut the outline of the shapes of the wood, and then I hot glued them. Once the burlap was glued on, I used this acrylic paint along the outer edges of each wooden shape. After staining each wooden pallet, I then took some Gorilla wood glue and attached each wooden shape to the pallet. For the second DIY, I took 2 more wooden pallets and covered them with pink chalk paint. Once the pallets were dry, I used wood glue to attach 1 bunny to the center of each pallet. I then took these 2 different Easter ribbons that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I made 2 little bows. I have a shelf above my coffee bar which I planned to sit these on, but you can also hang these if you want to. I did have some extra floral wire hanging around, and so I decided to make a little hanger out of that. Just in case you want to do that, that's an option as well. How cute are these? They were so fun and easy, and most of all, inexpensive to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support. If you liked what you saw and are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, thank you for returning, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!